Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always we are going to begin with a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to go through major talking points and features of both interior and exterior. Then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside the vehicle and again just run through a couple of the major talking points of the interior in a bit more depth. The vehicle we have here for you is a 220i M Sport Coupe. Alongside that is presented in the Melbourne Red, and of course we fitted the full YNC MPerformance body styling kit. You'll see just how nicely presented this vehicle is in the overall condition weight of both interior and exterior. It is a 2014 14 plate, however it has covered just over 20,000 miles, so it is an extremely low mileage example of a very nice little coupe vehicle. So the 220i's come with just shy of 190 brake horsepower. This vehicle is also equipped with some very nice optional extras. One of the major ones being the full BMW M Sport Plus pack. So sitting behind these freshly refurbished gloss black 18-inch alloy wheels, there you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, both front and rear being bigger. Down the side you'll see the satin side vinyls, sidebars and YNC MPerformance decals, and of course the sun protection glazing package, again thanks to that Plus pack. Moving on now for our first glance of the interior, which on this 2 Series we've got the very nice half Alcantara, half cloth highlight seats, which comes in the front with the electric lumbar adjustment, and the interior trim on this car is the aluminum hexagon. And of course thanks to that Plus pack we've got the Harman Kardon surround sound, which really does make all the difference in terms of your interior experience for anything in the BMW range. Moving round towards the rear of the car, where you'll see in the back seats we've got the Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with that central storage tray, and of course being the M Sport model you get that lovely darkened M Sport headlining. So just before we head round to the very rear of the car, again I'm going to show you off just how nicely these alloy wheels are now presented, again thanks to being freshly refurbished. And all the way around we have got the Bridgestone run flat tyres, and there you can see again coming through very nicely those larger M Sport Plus brakes. So at the rear we've added the gloss black rear diffuser and a very nice subtle satin black rear spoiler. Opening up the tailgate again often surprises people with just how much of a luggage capacity you'll find on a 2 Series coupe like such as this one. You also have a split folding seat option along with the very nicely presented genuine floor mats, which will of course also accompany the vehicle. Moving around towards the other side of the car, again Melbourne Red is a very striking colour, especially when it is paired up with the YNC MPerformance body styling kit. And again, although of course the age of this vehicle, it is exquisitely presented, owing to the fact of course, as I mentioned, has covered a very low mileage. So I'm going to go ahead now and take a seat inside and of course show you around some very special interior features on this vehicle. So now I'm sat very comfortably in these very nice seats. First of all, I'll start the car up and run you through a couple of the features and functions on the BMW business navigation and media screen. Currently up on there is the DAB, along with a wide array of multimedia functions that you'll find, including everything from your external devices where you'll find USB inputs, Bluetooth audio, AUX inputs as well. Switching over to other Bluetooth inputs that you'll find on the car, you also get Bluetooth telephone as well. We also have the function on this vehicle for the navigation. As you can see there, we'll scroll it in a little bit so you can get a better closer look. Back over to the car itself, this vehicle comes with some service history from BMW, of course only covering just over 26,000 miles, again as you can see on screen. Before we show you that one major talking point, again often people really do look for this on the 2 Series, especially ones with this lovely petrol engine, is the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox that it comes with. We've got the cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls all situated on that multi-function M Sport steering wheel. The next service is not due until, my memory serves me, there we go, 10,000 miles, there we go. And in terms of service history wise, there is 2 recorded services from BMW, again as you can see on screen now. So what we have is a very nicely presented 220i M Sport for you. I hope you've enjoyed this walk around video and found it useful, and of course if you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Hopefully this has been helpful and you'll find it an aid into making your informed purchasing decision upon your next car. Most of all though guys, we do hope to see yourselves very soon. If you are wanting any further information, please check the link in the description where it will take you through to our website, along with getting in direct contact with us here at Your Next Car. Thank you, see you soon and goodbye.